Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to create a deepfake video using a free AI tool on your local computer. So, let's get started. Part 1. Install Python. If you already have Python installed on your computer, you can skip this step. However, if not, go to python.org and download the Python installer. After that, run the Python installer. Part 2. Install GIT. The second tool is GIT. Go to git-scm.com and download the latest version of the installer. Now run the GIT installer. Follow the instructions. You can customize the installation settings or just use the default settings. Our today's sponsor is HitPaw. I will show you one of their amazing products in seconds. This tool is the HitPaw AI Video Enhancer, which is the best video enhancer capable of upscaling your video to 8K resolution. This tool has 4 different enhance models: Denoise Model, Animation Model, Face Model, and Colorize. Now, let's try using the general Denoise Model to enhance our video. Open HitPaw Video Enhancer, import your video, click on the general Denoise Model, go to Export Settings, and choose your resolution, bitrate, and format. Before exporting your video, you can click Preview to see a side-by-side comparison of your original video versus the upscaled video. After everything is set, click Export to save your video. As part of HitPaw's 3rd anniversary event, they are offering the biggest discount of the year if you buy this product. You can find the link in this video's description. Part 3. Install FFMPEG. The third tool we need is FFmpeg. You can download it through the link in this video description. After the download process is complete, extract it. Copy and paste the entire folder to the Program Files folder. Now let's set this FFmpeg bin folder to the Windows Environment Variables path. To do that, copy the bin folder path. Open System Properties. You can search for this from the Windows search bar. Click the Environment Variables button. Select the path variable from the list. Click the Edit button, click New, and paste the FFmpeg bin folder path. Click OK to save this change. Part 4. Clone the Roop repository. Now let's clone the Roop repository from GitHub to our local computer. You can find the link in this video description. Click the Code button. Copy the Git path under the HTTPS path. Now, open Windows Explorer, go to the path where you want to clone this repository. Right-click and choose Open in Terminal to open Windows PowerShell. Now, type git clone and paste the git download URL, and press Enter. Part 5. Install Roop. After the cloning process is complete, open Windows Explorer. Go to your Roop directory. Right-click and choose Open in Terminal to open Windows PowerShell. Now, type pip install -r requirements.txt and press Enter. Part 6. Download model file. After the installation process is complete, download the Roop Video Face Replacement model from Civitai. You can download it from the link in this video description. After the download is complete, rename it to inswapper_128 and copy the file to your Roop folder. Part 7. Running Roop. To run the Roop Face Clone app, go to your Roop directory. Right-click and choose Open in Terminal to open Windows PowerShell. Now, type python run.py. The Roop window will open if your setup is successful. Part 8. Swap Face. Now, let's perform a face swap using Roop app. Click the Select a Face button and select a face photo or image you want to use for this swap process. After that, click the Select a Target button and select your video for the face swap. You can change the swap settings if needed. After everything is set, click the Start button and set your output file name and path. Wait for the face swapping process to complete. Here is the final result from this face swap tutorial video.
感情的，他们是人类的好朋友，所以呢，我们要爱护花草树木。
Thank you for watching this deepfake tutorial video. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye.